Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we on this dial pad tone guys. You want to on this dial pad tone in your phone, so you can on it. In this video guys, I will show you how to on dial pad tone. So let's see how to on it. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on this dial pad tone. Then guys scroll it and guys come on sound and vibration setting. Then guys click on this haptic and tunes. And guys click on first one dial pad tone. So we will touch and on it, and guys now let's see. So when you will dial number, so you can listen this dial pad tone in your oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on dial pad tone in oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.